Hey everyone, welcome to Bridgie's Universal Magic. I see on a lot of the sites for tie-dye that everyone talks about the muck. So I thought I'd show you my muck. So this is an ice dye. This is a lace tablecloth. We had dye under ice. Now the ice is all melted. Now this is going to be a black and an orange. And you can see that it's actually sitting in muck. But what I want to show you and explain is everyone talks about don't touch it, don't knock it, don't move it. Can you see the separation of colour down? You can see there's orange and then further down there's the darker black. This is what we talk about when we say don't touch, don't bump, don't move, but this is the muck. Now I have another couple examples of muck. So this one's a fairly deep one because I really wanted the black to penetrate and only really have a tiny little bit of orange. So that one is doing really well. Now this has been sitting for 2 days. So up here, this is blue. Now you can see there is barely any muck. This is just sitting in the tiniest little bit of muck. You can barely see it. This one is going to be blue, then with black detail. Again, a lace tablecloth. So you can see the difference that you can get in muck ice dyes. I dye everything with ice. I don't liquid dye much. So here's another example of an ice dye. Now this one too, all of these have sat for the same amount of time. They were all done on the same day. So this one, see how the tablecloth comes up to the edge? What I'm trying to do with this one is to get a lighter colour on the edging, but then this part down in the middle is actually sitting in muck. And if I go, it's a bit hard to see, there's just a little bit of liquid starting to form in the centre. And that's what I wanted in that one. So there's another version of a different ice dye, but still in the muck. So this one here is a massive double bedspread. Now you can see there's still white. This one needs to have more ice added to it today. This is also the same amount of time, but you can see here we've got a bit of crystallization in the powders, so this is going to have more ice. But if we look down here, you can see again sitting in muck. It's a bit hard to tell. So once I finish with this one's going to sit in about a good 4 centimetres of muck. This is probably going to have 2 more applications of ice yet with a bit of soda ash. So there you go. There we have examples of what we talk about, the muck. Thanks guys. Go on to Bridgie's Universal Magic and have a look at some good tie-dyes. Have a great day everyone. Bye.